It's a video presentation of the 2018 Haas UMC-750. Just running through its paces right now. We've got the remote jog handle. Right now, currently, spindle speed is at 3,000 RPMs. We're going to bump it up a little bit. That's 4,000. It's 5,000. 6,600 RPMs. I want to crank it full max, but right now current spindle load sitting at 1%. And this is very, very quiet. We'll go ahead and stop that. I'm going to back it back down a little bit. It's at 3, and we'll go ahead and stop it there. Next thing we're going to do is simulate a tool change. Next we'll take it over to hand jog, and we're going to move it around. You're sitting at X-axis right now. You can hear the hand wheel more than you can hear it moving around. It's very quiet. Your Y. Right. Move the table around. Do have the probing eye, high intense lighting. We'll go ahead and take a little walk around here. It's got the Henning chip conveyor, 40 station tool changer. You can see the probe is in it. We have all the backs off right now. That's how it came in for transport. But everything's locked in place and accounted for. This obviously you can see the back of the machine, which is nice. Everything here is in really nice shape. We'll post the picture of the hours too. I can't imagine it has very many hours on it. It does have the mist collector. It's in the box right here. And then we have all the shipping bracket and foot pads, the box for the whips. And a little shot of the inside of the electrical cabinet. And then you got your serial plate, manufactured in 10 of 2018. Almost a 19, and then in 1154981 is your serial number. It's a 220 volt 3-phase machine. You got storage, all the books, manuals, everything that seem to be in here. Everything in here, so we did there. A little peek window there. It's got the zero return button, which is nice. USB. This concludes the video presentation of the 2018 Haas UMC 750.